Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 with 290 horsepower and 260 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels. Grand Cherokee badging on the side. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Rear heated seats. 4x4 Jeep limited badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of WeatherTech all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. 60/40 fold-down rear seats. Keyless entry. Power windows, memory seats. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera with sensors. Touchscreen media display. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Heated steering wheel. Heated seats. Our different driving functions. This Jeep has 105,261 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, visit us at feldmannimports.com.